Hi, welcome to the video. Let's see how I'm making a slim fit storage box for a small space. I'm using 6 plywood pieces, then some metal brackets like this. Then I'm joining the wood pieces one by one by screwing the metal brackets. To reinforce the box, I attach small frames like this. The next step is to cut the foam into the size of the box. The foam I'm using is 1 inch thick. I'm using a spray adhesive to attach the foam, and I'm using a respirator and gloves. Remember to read the instructions and follow the safety guidelines of the product you are using. I will be following a diamond tufting method. I am using a nude color velvet fabric. I am using a staple gun to secure the fabric into the top inner part of the box. Here again I am using the staple gun to follow the diamond tufting. It is a much easier tricky method than drilling a hole on the wood and sewing the button into it. It saves quite a lot of time and energy. Here, if you look at it, the pins are barely visible. I will be gluing on the flat pack crystals into the part where the pins are visible, and I will be doing that later. Here I have two kinds of buttons. One is heart shaped and another one is round flat pack. I'll be using a fabric glue. To cover the bottom part, I'm using a neutral color lining fabric. I'm using just hot glue and saving up the pins. Here I am making the lid with the same pattern, using some glue to secure it into the wood. And it will be the same technique we used for the other part of the box. Here I am covering the cardboard with a lining fabric, and we can easily attach it into the inner part of the lid. Then I thought the wood frame is not that pretty, so I covered it with some golden tape. The last part is to attach the legs. I'll be using 2 of these claw legs. Then I'll be using 5 of this kind of legs. If you want, you can use the wheelie legs also. And that's it. Enjoy the video. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.